Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive. Looks like we're going to have a sunny day here in Vietnam, guys. So hopefully you guys are having a great day out there, and things are looking pretty good. We can see that right now Bitcoin is above 43,632. We're seeing that Ethereum right now is also going up, guys. We're going to talk about why are the crypto markets going up, and we're going to talk about the CPI data, the inflation that came out yesterday. So it wasn't as bad as people had expected. It was actually in line. So that is another reason, that is another catalyst that the reason that the crypto markets and the broader markets didn't tank yesterday. So that is good news in the house. Also, guys, remember, this video is not financial advice, just it's an OG in the house expressing his opinion, and this is absolutely not financial advice, as I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So some other stuff that's coming out, we have about $750 million worth of options that are about to expire as well on Friday. So that is more evidence for me to you that we're going to see a huge short squeeze coming in, and it looks like the leverage shorts are going to get wrecked out there. And as I said in previous videos, the market makers and the exchanges are not going to allow these leverage shorts to win, guys. So I think that we're going to see Bitcoin going up. Also have that the Bitcoin death cross looming as well. So these are some of the things that I think is the market makers are going to do the opposite of what retail thinks, because you can see that most of these options that are expiring is actually the retail investors who thought that they can make a quick buck and bet against Bitcoin. So they're wrong. They're going to be out of there right now. So we're seeing right now that the total fear and greed index right now compared to yesterday is slightly down a little bit. That is interesting, considering that Bitcoin is doing pretty good. Bitcoin did hit a high of $44,000 yesterday, so it has come down a little bit from there, and that's kind of interesting. But I think we're going to bounce back, absolutely going to bounce back. And we can see that inflation just hit 7%, the highest rate since 1982. So this trend isn't transitory, and it's all happening under this current party, guys. So it looks like overall that inflation is not going down. We're also seeing that we're seeing that things like gas have gone up 50%, and also if we look at the monthly average of rentals, they're also going up as well. We're seeing that right now the S&P Case-Shelt U.S. National Home Price has also gone up around 19% as well. So that is not good in the house. And we're seeing that gas is up 50%. We're seeing a lot of consumer goods are up as well. So what does that mean? That means that inflation, as it continues to increase, it means that the only safe haven, in my opinion, is going to be crypto, and particularly Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Because right now, if you keep your fiat in the bank, you're losing about 7% of its buying power. Sure, the actual amount of dollars that you still have is the same, but the actual buying power is going down, down. So that's not a good position to be in. So you're going to see that if you look at the bond markets right now, the 10-year bond, it's around about 1.3%. So who would want to buy 10-year bonds and make 1.3%? And because if you're losing 7% a month, so you're going to end up with net negative gains, guys. So that is not good. So that's why I think we're going to see Bitcoin absolutely start to explode. We're seeing the illiquid supply of Bitcoin and exchanges going down, down. And something at some point has to give. We're seeing about 76%, between 76 and 77% of all Bitcoin on exchanges is gone, and that's being held by private individuals or in hardware wallets, guys. And only about the balance is left on exchanges. So the scarcity of Bitcoin is increasing. We're seeing that the consumer price index and inflation gauge that measures costs across dozens of items rose 7% in December, and that's, as I said, the highest since June 1982, guys. I can't even remember that far back. Who was popular in 1982? Was it like Prince or something like that? I don't remember. So in line with that, however, economic estimates and stock market futures rose after release, because a lot of people are expecting that the inflation was going to be higher, and actually it was in line with expectations. So that is good news in the house, and that's why we didn't see things tanks, and that's why we saw the market was okay. Excluding food and energy, so-called core CPI was up 5.5% on the year, and the biggest growth since 1991. So it's costing you guys a lot more to go shopping, guys. It's costing you a huge ton more to go shopping and buy bread, buy eggs, buy all those things that you need to survive in the house, guys. So hopefully we're going to get a reversal, and we should hopefully start to see that the inflation rate will go down, guys. But as I said, one of the best hedges against inflation is Bitcoin, because you can see right now, you can see that if we look at the price of gold right now, it's not performing. In the last year, gold is actually down 1.49%, and we all know that Bitcoin is uppity up. We're seeing crypto markets up, and everything is looking pretty good. So today is another green day in the house, guys. So this is from Root, and what he's saying is that bounce, this cycle is not over. I also believe that this cycle is not over, and we got more gas in the tank. I believe that we're going to continue up. I believe that we're going to see a $50,000 Bitcoin absolutely coming in soon, guys. What do you guys think? Go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, BYB, show some love for the OG in the house. I'm working for you. I'm doing this for you. And I just want to say God bless you. Thank you, guys, for being part of this community, watching, showing up day in, day out, and just showing some love, guys. And if you want to show some more love, consider giving a super chat in the house, guys. So it's a great time to be live. I've got the sun, guys. It's pretty nice today out here. Yesterday was it started off warm, and then it went super cold in the afternoon. So huddling spent our profit ratio, and what this does is it indicates that the number of people are holding their Bitcoin, and we're seeing that the huddling ratio is starting to go down a little bit, but then we're seeing it starting to pump back up right here, guys. So we spend more time transitioning from tops to bottoms of this metric, actually 3 extra months compared to the last one. So we're seeing that we're sitting at key levels, which historically implied the last bull run during the periods is not over. So from this perspective, as this key matrix goes down, you often see that people start to buy here, and then we start to see the tops. So we're going to start to see people absolutely start to buy, and we're seeing a lot more buying of Bitcoin because people are realizing right now that Bitcoin is the huge hedge against inflation. So we're right here right now, and then we're going to start to see people actually start to ape into crypto and ape into Bitcoin more and more. And that's why I'm absolutely convinced in the house that we're seeing more and more upside for Bitcoin, more and more upside for crypto, and that really makes me believe that something huge is going to happen, and that this bull run is not over. We just had two weeks of cooling off, and I think things are going to actually turn around and go to the moon soon. And we're seeing right now, we're going to jump into Dogecoin, we're going to jump into Shiba Inu, we're going to jump into some of the technicals, and we're seeing that the patterns right now, technically on all of the cryptocurrencies, are looking pretty good right now. So as you guys know, that we have a huge expiration on Friday. So the CME expiration is about 750 million BTC options are expiring. The majority of those options are leveraged shorts. So that could create a massive short squeeze in the house, and that could push Bitcoin to a higher level. And if that happens, it's gonna send a shock wave through the whole crypto markets, and we're gonna see the altcoins start to go up. We're gonna see Ethereum go up. We're gonna see Dogecoin, Shiba Inu go up, because Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, they're highly correlated right now. About 0.95, 0.93 respectively, correlated to Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin moves, you're gonna see the meme coins start to move, guys. So it looks like we have this big options expiration, as I said, and that is looking pretty good in the house. Right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin is at $43,674 in the house. We have hit this week a high of 44,434, so we're slightly off from that, but I think we're going to regain some territory, and it's looking pretty good for a weekly candle close in the green right now, and we're at $43,675 in the house. If you look at Bitcoin right now on the daily chart, we can see that Bitcoin is also trading at 43,674. Now we do have this death cross coming, and this death cross should be here, I would imagine. If we look at where we are right now, it's probably going to be tomorrow, guys, that we can see this death cross being confirmed right there. And we're seeing that right now, the MACD, if you guys can see that right here, you can see that the MACD is starting to turn green, and that is pretty bullish, and that should push the prices higher and higher, guys. Go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, show some love in the house. You can see the sun's coming out. I need my sunglasses. Things are getting pretty hot. My face is burning. So things are looking pretty good in the house, guys. So you can see right now that the total amount of liquidations so far in the last 24 hours has been around about $124 million. So that's not too bad compared to when we had those crazy $800 million worth of liquidation. So the biggest coins being liquidated right now is been Bitcoin, 33 million. We're seeing Ethereum, Phantom. There's a lot of, Phantom is looking very good right now. We're going to jump into the total TVL in a second. So we're seeing that if you look overall, you see more short positions. So those short positions are absolutely building up right now. And that, is evident that there's going to be a huge short squeeze because, the retail investors, they hear this, death cross and all this kind of stuff. And they think that absolutely things are going to go down, guys and gals. So, the market will always do the opposite of what retail wants. It always is like that. Whatever the retail thinks is going to happen, the markets always do the opposite, guys. So the best lesson to be learned here is if you want to be successful in this business, you do two things: be patient, dollar cost average, and hodl. That's three things. So that's it, guys. If you're going to be leverage trading, you're just going to get wrecked. You're going to get wiped out. You never ever can win in the house. So Dogecoin is looking pretty good right now. And as I said earlier, I believe that we're going to be retesting the 18-cent level. And right now, Dogecoin is at 16.43 in the house. So that is good news, guys. Absolutely. So if you look at Shiba Inu is looking fantastical in the house. Shiba Inu is up. And we're seeing that Shiba is trading at 31.65. And I did tell you guys yesterday that we're probably going to break out to the upside. So that is very cool beans in the house, guys. So we're just about going sideways. And then we're going to start to go after this resistance level here. And we have resistance at about 33.65. So things are looking pretty good. We had this beautiful W pattern that I talked about yesterday. So we did go up, and we did break out exactly as predicted from the neckline, and it's picture perfect TA in the house. So where are we going to go from here? And now it looks like that the second pattern that has formed now is we have this beautiful bull flag right here. So we have this bull flag starts here, and we're painting right here. So we could probably see, if we measure the top to the bottom of that bull flag from here to here, we could probably see at the point of breakout, we'll probably see that Shiba Inu will actually break past its current resistance level. So that is pretty good. So the W pattern has been completed. We broke out to the upside exactly as I predicted yesterday, and now we've formed a beautiful bull flag, and I'm predicting that we should be seeing 34 in the house, guys, for Shiba Inu. So let's take a look at the chains right now, and this is very cool beans. And you're seeing right now, if you look at Phantom in the house, in terms of its ratio to market cap and TVL, Phantom is the most undervalued right now of all the chains out there, and we can see that the amount of TVL locked on their decks is increasing day by day, and this is something to look at. And from my perspective, the top 7 projects in terms of the layer ones are definitely some of the cryptocurrencies, some of the layer ones that you guys definitely want to be looking at, guys. Don't discount these top projects: Ethereum, Luna, BNB. So if you look at BNB and the market cap to TVL, we can see that BNB right now is a little bit oversold. If you look at Avalanche is okay too, is quite respectable. Solana is a little bit oversold. But if we look at Phantom right now, Phantom is the most undervalued layer 1 solution right now, and they've got their decks. It's called Spooky Exchange. So go check that out right now, because if you use DeFi and you farm a big Phantom right now, you're getting about 99% APY right now. So that's something you want to look at. So go to Spooky Exchange, do a search on Google. Let's do it right now. Let's do that right now. Let's show you what I'm talking about. So if you go to Spooky Exchange, should come up. So if you go to Spooky Exchange right now, it looks like that. So this is a Spooky Exchange. Basically, you use MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and they have their farming right now. And if you look at their farming, so if you do USD Phantom pair, you're looking at about 99% APY, guys and gals. So this is kind of cool in the house, and it's very simple. You just connect your wallet. That's all you do. You go here, you hit connect, and you can use MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, Math Pocket, whatever you got. You link it up here, and then you just transfer these pairs, and you start staking, guys. And the APY is around about 99.14%. So you guys may want to check that out. Remember, this is not financial advice, just something that you guys want to look at in the house, guys. So take a look at it. I'm going to be adding some more to my staking pool right there, because who wouldn't want to get 99% APY? And they've also got liquidity as well. But remember, liquidity, there's a higher degree of risk with liquidity. Farming is pretty good. You can also stake Boo. Boo is their utility token as well, and you're getting some good APYs there as well. So take a look at that. It may be something that you're interested, maybe not, but I just thought I'd bring that to you. You can also use the Spooky Swap, which is a deck, so you can switch stuff up and this and that. So yeah, it all starts with you connecting your wallets, guys. So that is cool beans in the house, guys. So let's take a look at Ethereum right now. So Ethereum is trading at 3,339. I wish it was 33,000, and looking pretty good. And I think that we're going to be, we're going to be pushing up to $3,500 pretty soon. So things are looking good. Phantom has come down a little bit. Phantom has given up a little bit. It's gone down about 4.5% from its high of yesterday. But I wouldn't worry about that. A little bit of profit taken. We've still got a huge support level at $2.42, and I think we're going to be breaching past the $3 level. So yesterday we hit just past $3. It came down a little bit because when we start to hit the $3 level, people do like to take profits. You can see here and here at each time people took those profits. So let's take a look at Chainlink. Chainlink in house is, it's down a little bit. It's down about 2%. So Chainlink is about, a lot of people have been taking profits on Chainlink right now, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. The OG portfolio in the house is still looking pretty good. Remember, this is not financial advice. We're still up 65.34%, guys, and right now our total balance is $8,298 in the house. So let's take a look at the total market cap. So the total market cap has come back, guys, because remember, only a couple of days ago we were at 1.199. Now we're at 2.12 trillion. The volumes are looking pretty good, so the volumes are starting to come back, and that's what we need, because that's going to send the prices higher and higher. And that's at 83.88 billion. The Bitcoin dominance is coming down, so that is another reason why we're seeing a lot of the altcoins starting to pump right now. So we're seeing Bitcoin is up 2.22%, and that's at 43,594. We're seeing Ethereum is up 3.25%. That's at 3,336. We're seeing BNB right now is up 3.56%, and that's at $479. We're also seeing right now the Solana is up almost 7%, so that's good for Solana. Solana's making some moves back. But remember, when we look at the total TVL, you can see that Solana is a little bit oversold as compared to market cap and TVL. So just keep that in mind, and that's 149.65. We're seeing Luna as well is up 10.36%, and that's at 80.27%. And we're seeing that DOT is up 3.88%, and that's at 26.80. And we're seeing that Avalanche is also up as well, 5% in the house, and it's at $93.71. Doge Woji in the house. Doge is love is Doge, and it's up 6.71%, and it's at 16.3 now. We're seeing that Shiba Inu is also coming back, and it's at 14, up 14%. It's at 32. If you take a look at the total market cap right now, Shiba Inu is still way behind the Doge. So the Doge is the king of the meme. We love the Doge, and we're seeing that Matic is up 1.17%. So overall, the markets are looking pretty good, guys. Don't forget to go back and follow me on my Twitter. We got 3,666 followers. Get the news, get the tips, get the tricks. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, show some love in the house, guys, and don't forget to comment and subscribe and give a super chat. Don't forget to go down and check out all my links. They're down below. You can find them in the description. And don't forget to go over to the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel and subscribe over there. And don't forget to check out the merch, guys. We got the hats are back. Our hats are back. Get the mug, get the backpack, guys. So overall, the crypto market's coming back. You should be feeling pretty good, guys. So overall, God bless you. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Be well. God bless you. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Smash the likes. This is the last chance to smash the likes. Give a super chat. God bless you all. See you in the next one. Woo!